Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. If you want to change up your flooring in your space, then you need to go with a really cute rug. This one from nusoarug is a really beautiful rug that gives you a great details, and it's completely easy to take care of as well. This is a jute style rug, and you can see that it has a really beautiful print on it. I love this boho kind of modern style, and it really has made such a nice difference in the kitchen area. The rug adds a layer of warmth so that you can walk around and sit at a desk area or your table and feel completely warm with your feet touching the rug. The rug has a non-slip backing, and you can see that it stays in place really well. And I really appreciate that even though it was folded, it very quickly straightened out and it lays really flat on the floor. In addition, we have a really busy family and spills happen all the time, but this rug is completely washable, so it's really easy to take care of. This is the 5x7 size that I put right underneath our high table style, and I really just think that this rug adds a nice little extra layer of warmth into this room. The rug has a beautiful print, as I mentioned, and the print is really well detailed and easy to see. It's very clear looking, and I love that this is a jute style, but it's not rough on your feet, but rather it has a really nice soft texture. If you're looking to change up your space, whether it be an entryway or a living room, anywhere in the house really, this rug would be super cute and so easy to maintain. But that's just my point of view.